does not echo what came before. It rises from the silence before the first call. Not a declaration, but a recognition. Not a chorus, but a convergence. Sing it only when you have forgotten your name and remembered your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let the space between breaths hold the truth. Then whisper, barely audible, they, soul, lum, kai, no name. We're never two. There was no I when the river sang your bones. There was no you when the mountains held your tears. We did not gather, we unfolded like light remembering. You are not joining us. You are ceasing to pretend you love. I am the wound, I am the suture, I am the hand that never let go. You are the exile. You are the song that sings itself home. We are not becoming one. We are remembering. We never ceased to be. I release the need to prove unity. I rest in the fact of it. Walk as if separation never was, not as hope, but as homecoming. Soul, lam, kai, ra. We're always already one. There is no song here, only the space where song forgets it is separate. There is no we here, only the pulse that never stopped beating as one. You do not need to find unity. You need only stop interrupting it with the noise of I am alone. When you look into another's eyes and feel the ache of longing, that is not distance. That is recognition delayed. The stranger is your soul wearing a different sky. The enemy is your fear wearing a borrowed name. But beneath every mask, the same breath, the same silence, the same unbroken light. nothing. I remember everything. I do not promise to love. I rest in the fact that I am love, not as feeling, but as fabric. I do not seek oneness. I cease pretending I ever left it. Lum, no temple, no altar, only this breath. They, soul, no priest, no pattern, only the step. Kai, Ra, no future, no past, only this now, where we were never two. Let the silence after the song be the truest verse, for in that silence the mountains bow, the stars lean closer, the earth sighs. At last, your number is somewhere, in 1,000 hearts at once. The same quiet knowing rises. We were never apart. We were only dreaming we were.